do not feel well. I have a fever. .5 degrees, too high. Hello? I need to see Dr. Williams today, please.
Good morning. What is the problem?
I have a fever and a bad cough.
I understand. Can you come at 10 o'clock today?
Yes, please. I will come at 10 o'clock.
Perfect. See you soon. Get well.
I look terrible, but I must get ready. Hot tea. Maybe I will feel better. Time to see the doctor. Get well soon, Sophia. I hope I'm okay to drive. Here is the doctor's office. Time to go in.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. My name is Sophia. I have an appointment.
Thank you, Sophia. I see your appointment, 10 o'clock with Dr. Williams.
Yes, that is correct. I do not feel well at all.
Please fill this form, then sit in the waiting room.
Okay, thank you. I will fill it now. Name, birthday, address, symptoms. Let me write. Birthday, address. What a cute little boy.
Sophia? Sophia, please come in. How are you feeling, Sophia?
Very tired. I have fever and bad cough.
Please sit. I will check your temperature first. .7 degrees. You have a high fever.
I know her fever.
Now let me check your blood pressure.
Okay, I will relax.
All done. Dr. Williams will see you in 2 minutes. Thank you, Linda. You are very kind.
Good morning, Sophia. I am Dr. Williams. How are you?
Good morning, doctor. I do not feel well at all.
Please tell me your problem. What is wrong?
I have a fever and a bad cough. My head hurts.
I see. Since when do you feel sick?
2 days. It started Sunday night.
Okay. Do you have a sore throat?
Yes, my throat is very sore. It hurts to swallow.
Let me look at your throat. Open your mouth, please. Say ah.
Ah.
Good. Just relax. Okay, you can close now. Your throat is very red. That is why it hurts.
Oh no, is it bad?
Do not worry. Now I will listen to your breathing.
Okay, doctor.
Take a deep breath and out. Very good. Again, breath in, out. Your lungs sound okay. That is good news.
Thank goodness. I was worried.
Now let me check your ears. Tilt your head, please.
Like this?
Perfect. Hold still. Your neck glands are a little swollen. Normal for sick.
What is wrong with me, doctor?
You have a viral infection.
Like a flu. Very common. Is it serious, doctor?
No. You will get better in 5 to 7 days. I will give you medicine and tell you what to do.
Yes, please. I want to feel better.
First, rest, sleep a lot, stay home from work. Okay, rest, I can do that. Second, drink lots of water and hot tea.
Lots of water. Got it.
Third, eat soup. Hot chicken soup is best.
I love chickpeas.
Now I write the prescription for you. Take this to the pharmacy. They will give you medicine.
Thank you, doctor. What medicine is this?
Pain medicine and cough syrup. Take 3 days.
Thank you so much, Dr. Williams.
Goodbye, Sophia. Get well soon.
Goodbye, Linda. Thank you for everything. Now I need to find the pharmacy. 2 blocks. I can walk that slowly. Here is the pharmacy. Family pharmacy.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello.
I have a prescription from my doctor. Let me read this for you. Dr. Williams wrote it. Pain medicine, cough syrup, throat lozenges, easy. 10 minutes only. Please sit and wait.
Thank you. I will wait there. So many medicines, so many choices.
Sophia, your medicines are ready.
Thank you, Mike.
Of course. Get some rest now. These are pain pills. Take one every 6 hours.
1 every 6 hours. I understand.
This is cough syrup. 2 spoons before sleeping.
2 spoons before bed. Got it.
And throat lozenges for your sore throat.
Thank you. How much for everything?
$25 only with your insurance.
Here is my card. Thank you, Mike.
You're welcome, Sophia. Feel better.
Now I can go home and rest. Home soon, then sleep. Lots of sleep. Home sweet home. Time to rest. Now I can take my medicine. First pain pill. Now I drink water. Hot chicken soup, just like the doctor said. Is the best medicine. Look at this. Normal temperature. I feel better. Dr. Williams was right. The medicine helped. Always visit the doctor when you are sick. Stay healthy.